My name is Joseph Magwanga, the Deputy Governor, Homa Bay County, and I would wish to say that in February 2024, we had a very, very successful international investment conference which attracted quite a number of prospective investors, and which was also attended by His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, together with other dignitaries, ambassadors, and quite a number of local investors. What we realized during their visit was the quality and reliability of power supply in case they come to invest. This forced Her Excellency the Governor to appeal to His Excellency the President to ensure that we have a line upgraded to have reliable and quality supply in Homa Bay County. There has been outcry by some investors. There has been an outcry by the locals for the power outage, and this hopefully will be addressed by the visit of KETRACO in this region. They have talked of upgrading the high voltage, that is the Sondu-Miriu line, so that we can have the power supply to help us in terms of industrialization. So far, we have the special economic zone has already been gazetted, and the construction is going on, which will require more power. And given the current state, we cannot operate the machines or the industries we are planning for. So hence, because we have seen a number of prospective investors like those who are interested in iron ore mining, cotton ginnery. We have also Kigoto maize mill that is operational but cannot operate in its full capacity due to power outage. We even have the Victory Farm that is also complaining of the power outage, and others. So given the plans we have appealed to the KETRACO to come in and install, upgrade the line to address the problems that we have. And they have committed to do this in the next 10 months so that we can have a reliable quality power supply in the region to enable the prospective investors to carry out the investments they plan to do. And I tend to think I want to take this opportunity to appreciate and thank the KETRACO for coming in time, and hopefully the program will be completed within the scheduled 10 months time. So if that is done, then I'm sure that Homa Bay will get reliable power supply to serve the domestic and the industrialization within the county of Homa Bay. So thank you so much for visiting the place. So your coming, I hope, will be a blessing to this county of Homa Bay.